Today I'll show you how to create a simple but stylish shutter transition in After Effects using solid layers and a bit of basic animation. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clean reveal that you can use for text, logos, or even full screen footage. First, start by creating a new composition. Choose a name that makes sense for your project, like Shutter Reveal, and then set your desired resolution and duration. A standard choice is 1920 by 1080, but feel free to match whatever your main project uses. For duration, give yourself enough time to see the transition clearly, maybe around 5 to 10 seconds. You can always trim it later if it feels too long. Once your composition is ready, it's time to build the shutters using solid layers. Go up to the layer menu, choose new, then solid. Pick black as the color for now, since it gives a nice clean graphic look that works with almost any background. Don't worry too much about the exact dimensions at this stage. You'll adjust their size and placement in a moment. With your first solid created, duplicate it several times to form the individual shutter panels. You can do this quickly using keyboard shortcuts or by copying and pasting until you have enough solids to fill the screen with vertical or horizontal bars, depending on the style you want. Think of each duplicate as one slat of a window shutter. Next, position the shutters so they cover the entire frame. Use the Align panel if you want perfectly spaced, even bars, or move them manually in the composition window if you prefer a more customized layout. Line them up side by side, making sure there are no gaps where your content could peek through before the animation begins. Now you're ready to animate the shutters. Select one of the solid layers and press P on your keyboard to reveal the position property. Set an initial keyframe where you want the transition to start, then move forward in time to where you want the shutters to be fully open or fully closed, and adjust the position so the solid moves off screen or into place. Repeat this for each solid layer. To make the motion feel more organic, stagger the keyframes slightly in time so the shutters don't all move simultaneously. This creates a flowing, wave-like effect that's much more pleasing than everything moving in lockstep. With the animation in place, add your text, logo, or footage underneath the shutter layers. Make sure these content layers sit below all the solids in the timeline. As the shutters move outward, they'll reveal whatever you've placed underneath, creating a professional-looking transition or opening. To finish, enhance the look with a few effects. Turn on motion blur for the shutter layers to smooth out their movement. You can also experiment with effects like glow for a more stylized look, or CC pixel poly if you want the shutters to break apart in a dynamic exploding style. Play around until the transition matches the tone of your project.